Assalamu alaikum. Students, this is Abstracts Online Support Program and your class is HSSC 1 first year. This is the new, we can say, the presentation. So I hope that you will find the new picture. Okay, now you can see the textbook of the desired textbook, and textbook name is there, pages number are there, chapter name is there, topic is there. Okay, and resources we are using internet textbook. And today you will uh, again learn the properties of determinant. So we will start with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now students, you can see question number 3 part 3, and this is the better way. The determinant of a plus l, a plus l, a. Okay, this is the question. L square 3a plus l. Why I write two times? Why I just proceed two times? Because in this way you can add their rows. Add row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3 means a plus a plus a, 3a plus l, 3a plus l, 3a plus l. And in this CA you can add columns, column 1 plus column 2 and column 3. So 3a plus l, 3a plus l, 3a plus l, you can see. Okay, so I'm just making you understand this way, and you can do as a homework in your home. Okay, you can do this question as a homework, and I just write it in here. We subtract columns, and here you can subtract rows. Okay, now understand this way, so you will be able to solve this way. Okay, so in determinants properties, there is no particular property that we have to do. Okay, so that's why I just added two things. Now rows, row 2, row 3, I am adding row 1, so 3a plus l, 3a plus l, 3a plus l. So in next step, what should I take common? 3a plus l from row 1, so 3a plus l I took the common, 1 1 1 is remaining. Okay, now as soon you got 1 1 1, as soon you got 1 1 1, or in this way you got 1 1 1, जैसे ही 1 1 1 मिलेगा, you put the property of subtract. Okay, so and for the property of subtract we get the maximum benefit. What is benefit? Zero is zero counts. Okay, so 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, so maximum 0 we want. So I to write the property column 2 minus column 1 and column 3 minus column 1. So now column 2 minus column 1, column 2 minus column 1 is, yes, 1 minus 1 is 0, a plus l minus a, only l. Okay, a minus a again 0, and column 3 minus column 1, 1 minus 1 0, a plus a minus a 0, and this one is this 0. So now you can see that this is the easy way, because 1 is here, first row first column 1 copy किया, only we have to write this manner L. Okay, 0 0 and this thing. Okay, L 0 0 L, only this manner we have to write. Minus 0, so first row second entry, and 0 multiplied by anything 0, so I don't write the minor after this. And again the same thing, plus first row third column 0, so there is no need to write the minor of this. So only we have to solve this. AD minus BC, L square minus 0, that is L square, and you have to prove it. Okay, so by this method you have to prove this way. Now this is the simplest question, part 6. expanding by row 1. Okay, what is row 1? Row 1 is this. So again the simplest question. B is here, first row, first column close, B 0, A, B minus the simplest question that you have learned it from previous lecture. There is no property. Okay, now you can see that this question, so column 1 plus column 2 we can add. Okay, column 2 plus column 1 means that this column should be in this way, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, because this is in this way, and a plus b plus c. Okay, now we can take the common a plus b plus c from column 1. As soon you got 111, as soon you got 111, you have to do the property. Okay, so r2 minus r1, r3 minus r1, we did apply the property. R2 minus R1 means 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, okay, the first row is same, and this minus this, so A minus B only remain because C minus C cancels that. Okay, now B minus B is cancelled, so C minus C only remain, and R3 minus R1, this is the same thing. Okay, now expand by column 1 because there is maximum 0 is here. Okay, so 1, this is close and this is close. Okay, a minus b, c minus a minus c, c minus b minus, what is second row first column minus, so 0 is the element and we don't need to write the minus. Again third row first column, 0 is here, we don't need to write a minus, so that's why we put the property subtract. Okay, and as similar you can do the homework of the previous question. Okay, now AD minus BC, we apply the formula AD minus BC, then we multiply two brackets. Okay, AC minus AB minus BC minus minus plus B square, minus is here, those brackets multiply. Okay, now again the same thing, this is the thing, and you know that this is the formula of the matrix, A plus B plus C square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus AC is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC, and that is the right hand side we have to prove. Now again the same thing, there is no need to write the property, only just evaluate by the simple determinant. Okay, there is no need to write property, just evaluate this thing, then close this, same process of the previous one. Now to the left hand side, again this and this I add in this, so A plus lambda plus B plus C, A plus lambda plus B, so all the thing. Okay, now you can see that this is the same thing, you can take the common, as soon you got 111, subtract the property, and this is the similar way. As soon you got the 111, subtract the property, but in this way you can do the column wise, so you get the maximum benefit, that is 0. Okay, now you can open by first row 1, so 0 0 minus 1, so this thing. Okay, this is the thing, same process, same procedure you can do. Now you can see that column 1 I add column 2, and these two columns are identical, so it means that determinant is 0, whole determinant is 0, and something multiplied by 0 is 0, this is 0. Okay, this is the question like this. Okay, now part 2, same thing, I took the common 3x from column 3, So 1 2 3 1 2 3 column 1 column 3 is identical, so this is 0. Now in column 3 I multiply by ABC column 3. Okay, so BC multiplied by BC we can cancel, A square is remaining, AC will multiply by AC, so only B square is remaining and C square. Now you can see column 2 and column 3 is identical, so whole determinant is 0. 0 multiplied by something 0. And where this ABC come from? When you multiply something, so it should be divided for the balancing. And I told you before, I think previous or yes, in previous lecture. Now again the same thing, C1 I add rows or column, it should be it's up to you. You can add row 2 row 3 in row 1, okay, or column 2 column 3 in column 1. All elements are 0, and I property is if any row or any column is 0, then the whole determinant is 0. Thank you for your attention.